Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the data transfer settings to save your game progress in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for the beginner that are still new into this game, and how this game works, how to challenge the event, how you can complete the mission and get the amount of useful rewards or ton of rewards from the special event. But if you're already complete, or you complete the mission or do some event, you have to save your progress by use the data transfer setting. Let's start the menu, tap the other, and this one, data transfer settings tab. So you can set up data transfer for Google Play Games account or Google account, if you're using the Android, Facebook account. And this is the condition: important, setting up transfer allow you to resume save data on another device by using an external service. So you can learn this first before doing the data transfer in Dragon Ball Legends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. Enjoy the game.